How to make your voice deeper in Voicemod. So it's pretty much done with one of these voices over here. Now there are times where the deep option here can be free, but it's still limited time, but it's a daily voice and it could happen. So maybe you could go ahead and test your luck. There are times where the daily voice does give voiceovers that are somewhat deeper, so you can go ahead and try with the daily voices. But if you want all of the options over here, then you are going to need the Pro version. So to do that, it's found over here. There's a Go Pro button over here, so press on that one. It's found at the top right, and just take a look at the plans that would fit you. So you have the quarterly plan, a limited time offer, and an annual subscription. So just go ahead and choose from whichever suits you the most. Prepare your preferred payment method, and just go ahead and get a purchase. Then you'll be able to use any of these once you have Pro, and in your case you want the deep voice, so press on this one and it should automatically be chosen as your voiceover. But that's pretty much how you make your voice deeper in Voicemod. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.